go to check my inventory here. So in here is the number of Goga token I have in my account now, and here is the gem that you can buy the gem with Goga token. So let me try. I just purchased successfully, so I have more gem now. And what is gem used for? In here you can see your NFT have level 0, so one NFT will have maximum 30 levels, and the higher level can help you to earn higher Goga token. And my battery after one activity is reduced few percent, so I need to recharge my battery with Goga token. So now my battery is full, and I can level up my NFT to make it stronger. So I need to unequip my NFT first, then I can level up it. In here I just click level up to the level 1, and it takes me 1 hour to wait, but I don't want to wait, so I can use gem to boost the time. And now I'm level 1, and if I want to level up again, I can click to level 2, and now I need to wait longer, 2 hours, but I have enough gem here to boost the time, so I can skip 2 hour waiting, so I can use gem again. So now my NFT is in level 2. Okay, so what is the benefit when I level up my NFT? Here you can see when you equip your NFT to use, you will have the skill point that whenever you level up, you will have more points to put to your intelligence or agility, luck or power to increase the ability of your NFT. So I want to add 2 for each ability and confirm. Okay, so before my NFT intelligence is only 2, but after I add the skill point, it's going to 4. It means it's higher, and it can help me to earn more GGT after finish one activity.